Hi, I am Vishal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video we have got another speed paint from the awesome book by Rosalie Haizlett, Watercolor in Nature. For today's painting we have got Praying Mantis. So this is the Praying Mantis that I'll be showing you today. Now let me show you the painting that I have made. So this is the praying mantis that I made, and sketching it out took a lot of time. Apart from that, the tiny and minute details took more time. So overall it took me around 45 minutes, but yeah, I loved this one. I have one more painting of the praying mantis that I did 2 or 3 years ago. Let me show you that one. So here we have got another praying mantis. So I don't have the video for this one, but I have the video for this one. So now enjoy the speed paint and the music. Thank you for watching the whole video. To let me know that you have finished it, just comment grasshopper. I'll link the book review of this awesome book up here and down in the description, as well as you can check out the other playlists. If you have any feedback, suggestions or comment, let me know in the comment section. That's all for today's video. Peace.